Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to borrow games on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left side of the screen, we have the store, as you can see, where we are at the very moment, the library, the community, and your profile. Also here in the middle of the screen, we have the tab where you have your store, new and noteworthy categories, and we have the search bar also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and borrow games on Steam. So borrowing games on Steam is made possible through the family library sharing feature. So ensure that Steam Guard is enabled on both your account and your friend's account. Then of course, log into your Steam account on your friend's computer. Go to settings, which is on Steam in the top left corner. Click on settings, which is the one before the last option. Then go to family. So basically family is the third option here. And check the box for authorized library sharing on this computer. Log out of your account and let your friend log into their own Steam account. Your friend can now go to their library, find the game they want to borrow from your library, and click borrow. This will send you an email with a link to grant access. Click on the link in the email to authorize the game for your friend. Your friend can now play the borrowed game on their account while keeping their own achievements and save data separate. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.